In this video, you'll learn how to apply installed extensions to all profiles in Cursor AI. If you use multiple profiles in Cursor and you're tired of configuring the same extensions over and over, this simple setting will save you a lot of time and keep your workspace consistent. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure Cursor is open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch it the way you normally would. You should be looking at the main Cursor window, where you usually write and edit your code. Once Cursor is open, the next thing we need to do is open the settings. The exact location can vary slightly depending on your operating system, but generally you'll either click on the gear icon or open the main menu at the top and choose the settings option. Take a moment to find and open settings, and you should now see a new panel or window with a list of configuration options. Inside the settings view, there are a lot of sections and controls, so rather than scrolling around to find what we need, we'll use the search bar. Look for the search field within the settings panel. It's usually near the top. Click into the search box so you can type into it. Now, type exactly this phrase into the search bar: extensions apply to all profiles. As you type, Cursor will filter down the list of settings to match what you've entered. After a moment, you should see a setting labeled extensions apply to all profiles, or something very close to that wording. This particular setting controls whether the extensions you install are shared across all of your Cursor profiles or kept separate for each one. When it's turned off, each profile can have its own independent set of extensions, which can be useful if you like completely different setups for different projects. However, if you prefer a unified environment and want any extension you install to be available everywhere, turning this on is the best option. Once you've located the extensions apply to all profiles setting, look for the toggle switch next to it. If the toggle is currently off, it will often appear grayed out or positioned to the left. To enable it, simply click the toggle. It should move to the on position and usually change color to indicate that it's now active. With this setting turned on, any extension that you install in Cursor will automatically be applied to all of your profiles instead of just the one you're currently using. This means you won't need to repeat the installation process or manually sync extensions every time you switch profiles. It also helps keep your tools consistent, so your autocomplete, linters, themes, and other extension-based features behave the same way across your different workspaces. If you ever decide you want more separation between profiles again, you can come back to the same setting, search for extensions apply to all profiles in the settings, and toggle it back off. That will let each profile manage its own extensions independently. To recap the flow, open Cursor, head into settings, use the search bar to look up extensions, apply to all profiles, and then toggle that setting on. Once that's done, you're all set, and your extensions will automatically be shared across every profile you use in Cursor AI.